about. This is assessment for demonstrating profile system. Can you explain it to me, please?
Yeah, we go two manholes. We
Yeah.
just survey a top of each. Yeah.
Yeah.
We go on this one. First manhole is
8.639.
yeah. And I survey top of a profile timber.
So you stuck a profile there.
Over there, yeah, is a 10.217.
Yes.
And between difference height is a
578.
1.578. Yeah. And I survey a second manhole.
Yes.
On the top is a 8.377.
Yes.
And I add different heights.
Yeah.
To the cover manholes, and I got 9.
So that gives you the height of
on
the next
second,
profile.
Second profile.
Okay, well done. And what do you do with, how much the height difference?
1.578.
So your traveler will be,
100
so we assuming 2 meters, this is 2 meters from the
2 meters from the inward
to the
level,
cover?
will be plus
2
meters will be 1.
So 3.578
3.578, but plus 100 for the digging.
for the digger. Can you show me your demonstration how it works, please? Can you hold that profile for him?
Up, down. Yeah, that's it.
Well done.
Between the profiles, one more. Little bit up. Yeah, that's it.
Well done, great. Okay, well done. That's very good. Thank you very much.